Namaste. Welcome to Ameya Online. Today's video, we're back again with another set of new arrivals at Kalamkari silk saris. So, these saris are silk cotton saris, and they are easy drape, and they are easy to maintain also. So what you see on her is sari number one. Sari number one is this beautiful green printed off-white sari, like that. It's got border on one side only, with these vines in the border in red, and yeah, that will be the pallu. It's got these colorful pallu, printed pallu, and it's got a printed off-white blouse. So what you see on her is sari number one, priced at $15.99. To block these saris, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram to see our updates, and please subscribe to our channel to see our future videos. So, the sari number two is this black sari with these beautiful musical instruments in pink and mustard. It's got border on one side only in pink, and again it's got printed instruments in the border. So this is the sari, and that's the printed pallu. It's got beautiful paisleys and these vines in the pallu. It's got a printed blouse, an off-white printed blouse
with instruments.
Again instruments, yeah. So this is sari number two, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. Moving on to sari number three. Sari number three is this rare color in Kalamkari. It's a green sari with these printed peacocks and vines all over the body of the sari, like that. It's got borders on both the sides in this off-white and green printed borders, like that. And that will be the pallu. It's got a beautiful big peacock, and it's got a printed blouse.
Off-white printed blouse.
Yeah. So that's the blouse. So this is sari number three, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. We have all kinds of payment options like Paytm, Google Pay, InstaMojo. As of now, we don't have a cash on delivery option, yeah, COD option. So this is sari number four. Sari number four is this tribal print all over the body of the sari. It's a blue sari with these tribal figures all over the body of the sari, like that. And it's got border on one side only in a pink, again with the tribal print all over the border. And that's the pallu. It's a funky pallu in pink, and it's got a tribal printed blouse. So this is sari number four, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. So these are printed Kalamkari saris in cotton silk fabric. These are easy to maintain and easy to drape. They don't need starching as such, and they are very easy to maintain. So the sari number five is this printed black sari with all these beautiful vines and peacocks all over the body of the sari, like you can see. And it's got border on one side in a red with printed peacocks again, like that. So that's the sari. The pallu, and that's the pallu, and it's got a red printed blouse, red vines on off-white base. So this is sari number 5, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Sari number 6 is this again tribal print. We had seen the colors in this print previously. It's an off-white sari with this tribal print all over the body of the sari, like that, and it's got a pink border, printed border, and the pallu. That's the pallu. It's a beautiful pink and blue colored pallu, and it's got a pink tribal printed blouse. So this is sari number 6, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. So what we see is sari number 7. Sari number 7 is this red sari with the printed vines all over the body of the sari. It's got
Big peacocks.
with big peacocks again, yeah, at the bottom. It's got two borders on both the sides, a red border and a blue border, like you can see. It's a very colorful sari.
Faces, you have faces in one border and vines in one border.
Perfect. And that's the pallu of the sari. It's a beautiful sari. And we have a printed blouse like that. That's the blouse. So this is sari number 7, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us.
Sari number?
This is sari number 8. Sari number 8 is this off-white sari with vines and mustard and blue and grey, like you
Green.
can see. Green, sorry. Yeah. So that's how it looks. The entire sari has these prints, and the border, you have a mustard border with floral prints on the border, like that. And it's got a printed pallu, like that. That's the pallu. And it's got a beautiful printed blouse. That's the blouse. So this is sari number 8, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Shh. So this is sari number 9. Sari number 9 is this beautiful whirly printed sari. It's got tribal print all over the body of the sari, like that, and it's got a beautiful pink border. So it's a very colorful sari, and that will be your pallu. It's a printed pallu, and it's got a printed blouse. So this is sari number 9, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. So the sari number 10. Sari number 10 is a blue sari with vines printed all over the body of the sari. We'd seen the same sari in red previously. Yeah. And this is another color in the same sari. So the sare's got beautiful vines all over the body with peacocks printed at the bottom, and it's also got two borders on both the sides in red and blue. That's the sari, and that will be your pallu. It's got a maiden and a peacock. It's got a funky printed blouse. So the sari number 10, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. So this is sari number 11. Sari number 11 is this red sari with the printed vines all over the body of the sari and peacocks at the bottom. It's also got an off-white border, off-white and blue combo border at the bottom only, and that will be your pallu. It's got an ikat looking pallu, printed pallu, and it's got a printed blouse in off-white and green. So this sari number 11 priced at 15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. So this is the last sari of this video. It's an off-white sari with printed vines all over the body of the sari, and this mustard and blue combo, like the entire body has this. It's got border on one side only in blue with vines printed all over the border, and that's the pallu. It's a very beautiful pallu, yeah, and it's got a printed blouse like that. So this is sari number 12 priced at 15.99. To block any of the saris in this video, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. Please follow Ameya online on Facebook and Instagram. Please subscribe to our channel for more future updates and the future updates. And you can visit our store in Sharat City Capital Mall, Kondapur, Hyderabad. Please take time and visit our store. Thank you. Happy shopping.